Greetings my friends and welcome back to another NTrade video. Yesterday we traded with a brand new OTC profit engine trading tool and we made over $8,000 with just starting amount of $100. So that just shows the strength of this tool, but this is not the only tool that we have. We have tools for different markets, for different occasions, and today we're going to go and trade with one of my favorite tools that we have, EVO Trade algorithm. I want to show you what the real strength of trading can be if you use the right tools. And of course I place bigger trades, but even if you trade with smaller amounts, that can guarantee you stable climb, and that is exactly what you want as a beginner trader or as somebody who's struggling yet to trade by himself. These tools will really make a difference for you. So if you want to trade with one of these tools, if you want to trade daily with me and my team, make sure to check out the link in the description below. We have trading sessions every single day from Monday to Sunday, 4 times a day. You can join, just follow the signals and get yourself some money. We put a lot of effort into these signals, and again, if you want education material, if you want help with trading, we got all of that in my trading group, so don't miss out. Join right now, and now let's hit the market and make some money. Alright, the process trading with this robot is extremely simple. You select the asset that you want to trade on. If you don't know which asset you want to trade on, just look for the asset with a higher payout. Go to the market you want to trade on. You have 5 different markets, from real market to OTC to crypto OTC to stocks to commodities. We're gonna go with OTC to start off our trading session. We're just gonna do a couple of trades. Australian dollar, United States dollar, not a best market situation. I know what I would have done in this situation. However, I want to use the robot here and place a little bit of trades. I'm gonna press start analysis here. Australian dollar, United States dollar, OTC is going to be our trade. We're gonna be trading on 1 minute. You have multiple time frames to select from, and we take a sell position, as I would do so as well here, as we are approaching the resistance level, and this is why I know this should be a good trade for us. I can't wait for the price to spike up a little bit, as it's probably going to happen. So this is where I'm placing another massive trade, 4K right here, because in case something goes wrong, because you can never be 100% sure that your trade is gonna go through, right? So you need to offset some of the potential losses with the trades placed higher, especially if you have an idea where the price generally should go. But if you don't, then just if you place multiple trades, then make sure that you're not placing them all in one area. Just space out your trades a little bit. This is going to be making a massive difference for your trading, and that is going to increase the probability of winning your trades, because even if you lose 1 or 2 trades, in case the trades are really close, you still will have a chance to secure a whole lot of other trades if you space them out just a little bit. And here it is, our first trade, and we are already making an absolute bank. And this is how easy it is. We just did 1 trade and this is already over $7,000 of profit. Now I did think that we're gonna lose the other 3 because I saw the price kind of move up here, but it worked out and we are at 15K just straight up, just like that, guys. This is super simple. I'm not saying every single signal is gonna go like this, but this tool is sitting around 84-85% win rate, and it has a period, and it has a pretty broad testing period, right? We've been trading with this tool for over a year, so this just highlights that if the tool is able to maintain over 85% win rate throughout a year of trading, this is just a high quality tool right here. And you have analysis in here as well. So we did 1 trade on OTC market. Now let's try to find an entry on real market as well. We don't have many assets with good payouts, but I guess Swiss franc, Japanese yen is gonna do so. Let's select real market. And the person yesterday asked me on stream which I think is the best robot for real market, and I said EVO Trade algorithm still is the best tool for real market. So we're gonna do the trade here on real market, and I'm gonna show you why exactly I thought that why exactly I think that real market is still predominantly going to be dominated by EVO Trade algorithm, simply because the robot is very precise. It uses tools instantaneously. I wanted to place more here, but the price is already going down pretty hard, so we're not gonna go more than this. unless the pullback happens, which I doubt. I think we are already pretty set with this trade. We probably gonna get an easy $880, and you can see that the robot says downward trend, and we entered really fast and we caught a nice move here. SMA 20 crosses SMA 50 from above, signaling a bearish trend. So we are seeing a bearish trend reversal right here. The price starts gradually to move down. This is a sign, and SMA 20 crosses SMA 50. This is another sign of a downtrend, and this is exactly why I say you can start trading with this tool and start understanding what tools you can use, what indicators you can use, and you for example can apply SMA 20 and 50 to your chart and trade with it and make money by trading yourself already, but learning with the tool as well, because it actually gives you an idea of what it used, because it actually gives you a breakdown of what it uses to give you this signal. So we got another 1,000, and let's do just one final trade, right? We don't have many assets here. United States dollar, Swiss franc. Let's see if we got it. We're gonna do 2 trades on real market. Let's see if we got United States dollar, Swiss franc. If we don't, we're gonna have to look for a different one. I don't think we do. Yeah, we definitely don't have that, and I don't want to go on a lower payout, so we're gonna just do another trade on Swiss franc, Japanese yen. And guys, mind you, this is real market. This is not OTC. This is not controlled by pocket option. This is straight up OTC, and this is straight up real market, real environment. So we are just completely dominating this. And again, Bollinger Bands widen and the price consistently trades near the lower band, indicating bearish dominance. So the analysis from this tool is spot on. Most of the time you're gonna have a much easier time, especially if you are a beginner. All you need to do is manage your funds correctly, and even if we lose this trade, right, I'm not stressed. We're still sitting on $6,000 of profit, and I would prefer not losing this, but we're gonna see, right? We have a pretty strong pullback here, so we might see actually a move upwards. We have another 20 seconds to go, so we're gonna see. I'm still gonna do one more trade in case we lose this, and I'm not saying, like I mentioned at the start of the video, that not every single signal is gonna go through, right? And exactly this is why I want to emphasize the importance of money management, because you need to learn when to place more money. If you got your profit, if you already made a solid amount of money, don't just go in and place more trades and place crazy trades that will actually take you out of the market, right? Just take your profit, reduce the amount that you pay with, and execute your trades. Again, you're gonna have a nice time in the market if you manage your funds properly. All right, let's do one more trade here. On the same chart, we're gonna place a buy position here, 2,000, and we need to offset the losses that we had previously, but I'm just gonna make it back. I just wanna make it back. I don't want more money than I already have. I'm still sitting on a solid $6K of profit, so all I need here is just to make the profit that I lost on the previous trade, and this is exactly what's going to happen here. The price accesses the Keltner channel, upper boundary, indicating a strong bullish impulse, and this is exactly what we're seeing. Pretty strong bullish impulse here. You can see that the screenshots has changed. If previously we had normal chart right here with candles, then now the robot thought that it's appropriate to actually switch to the graph like this to showcase this bullish impulse. So the robot adjusts, the screenshot adjusts the indicators based on what it sees on the market, and this is invaluable information for anybody who's getting in and learning and wants to learn how to trade properly. And there you go, guys, we're finishing the trading session. We only took 2 losses here, and we get a solid profit of over $7,000. You can see it right here. All of our trades executed with ease. This is yesterday trading, so 1626 right here. We entered the market. All of these wins right there, boom, only 2 losses. And again, guys, this is 5 minutes of market time, and we've made $7,000. So if you want to trade with this tool, you know where to find me, guys. Send me a message on Telegram at NTrade_pro, or simply click the link in the description below. Again, we have daily trading sessions, so you don't have to immediately go and place all of your money and trade on real market. You can absolutely try trading on demo account, seeing if you like the signals. We also have a free signals group where you can get free signals, hence the name, right? But you can go in there, you're gonna get one signal each trading session. Even with one signal each trading session, you're going to get 4 signals every single day, which is already a good amount of trades to make per day. 4 trades per day can be pretty sustainable and pretty good income if you use proper money management. If you're with $50 with 4 trades, you can make $10-15 on top of your $50, and that is all you really need to climb steadily and climb profit and climb consistently. So check it out. Free signals group, VIP trading group, private trading group. We got all of that, one-on-one trading sessions, tutorials, trade breakdowns. We can find you a system. I appreciate you for watching, guys. This is a quick video. I did really think we're going to spend more time in the market, but we just went in and make all this money. We just went in, we took all of the profit, we lost 2 trades, came back with another 2 trades, made all the money back, and here we are. Again, appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you later. Peace.